Hi everyone, this video is going to help you get logged into the STAR Math assessment. The first thing you're going to do is click on the link that your child's teacher has provided for you. Once you get to the website, you may be prompted to enter a Renaissance ID. This is the Renaissance ID that you will need to enter, OJRSD-63M No capital letters are needed. The next thing you will see is this screen, and you're going to click on I'm a student. Your child's login for STAR Math is their 6-digit ID number. This is their cafeteria number. This is their library number. All we need here are the digits only. A lot of times the kids want to enter their initials because they use that for other logins, but for STAR Math, we only need their 6 digits. The password is ABC. No capital letters, just lowercase ABC. Then you're going to click Login. At this point, you're going to see a blue box that says STAR Math. You're going to click on the blue box. It's going to ask you for a monitor password. That monitor password is admin, A-D-M-I-N, A-D-M-I-N. Then you can click Start. At this point, your child is going to get some practice problems. This is just to make sure that they can navigate the screen. As you noticed, when I clicked on the page, the audio automatically played for them. You can turn your volume down if they'd rather not hear the audio, but it is nice for the word problems that come up on the screen. The child clicks on their choice and then clicks Next. This will automatically bring them to the next screen. Once they're finished these 3 practice problems, the actual assessment will begin. There's about 34 questions on the assessment. Please make sure your child does any work on the scrap paper or notebook paper. And if you have any questions, please reach out to your child's teacher. Thank you.